Hi there, this is Sarah with Biosculpture Canada. Today we'll be doing threading gel fireworks. I'm going to be using Daniella as my base. I have applied a layer of Evo Gloss as my top coat, cured and wiped the sticky layer. This is very important. You have to finish with a layer of gloss and wipe completely to remove any sticky residue before continuing, or this design will not work. Using my nail art brush, I'm going to apply 3 drops of white threading gel to the nail. These will be the center of my fireworks. Now we will begin picking up from the center and pulling out towards the edge of the nail. Don't worry about these being perfect. We actually want them to be a little irregular because they'll make such a cool look at the end. Once you have achieved the effect you're looking for, cure in the LED lamp for 30 seconds. On the sticky layer, I'm going to apply my Iris Chrome Powder in Ruby Red. I will repeat with my Iris Chrome Powder in Royal Purple, and finally, my Iris Chrome Powder in Emerald Green. Our powders will stick to the threading gel, but will wipe away from the black when we clean with a small handled manicure brush. You might have to be a little bit more aggressive than what you would imagine to get the loose powders off. Keep buffing until you are happy with the look. Seal in your powders with a layer of Evo Gloss top coat. Cure in the lamp for 30 seconds. You could also seal in your powders with Chrome Catalyst and follow up with an Evo Gloss top coat. I hope you enjoyed this video and you'll give this design a try. If you do, share your work with us.